Welcome back to the 3D lily pad pond stitch along. Today we are going to use a stem stitch to create these stems for our cattails. You will want 3 strands of our cream thread, and I usually like to start up at the top of my stem line here. Bring our needle up from the back of the fabric to the front. Now hold that thread off to one side of your line. Go back down about 1/4 of an inch along that line there. And we're going to gently tug so we have a nice loop on the side of our line. Now bring your needle up in between those 2 points along that line and gently tug so it'll look like you have a straight line with your thread coming out from underneath it. Now we want to hold our thread off to the same side again. Go back down our line, make our loop, come up in between those 2 points, and gently tug. And our thread will start looking more like a coiled rope the more stitches we add here. Oops. Be careful not to get your thread caught on your other stitches.